In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to class and location track in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn these features on and set up a clean structure, so your reports show where your money is coming from and where it's going. Let's start by enabling tracking. In QuickBooks Online, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the small gear icon. This opens up your main settings. From this menu, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes options for your company file. On the left-hand side, click the Advanced tab. This section holds a lot of powerful tools, and the one we're interested in is called Categories. Go ahead and scroll down until you see the Categories section, and then click into it to expand the options. Here, you'll see switches for track classes and track locations. Turn both of these on. Classes are great for tracking things like departments, product lines, or types of work, while locations are ideal for physical sites, branches, or regions. Turning them on doesn't change any of your existing data, it just adds more ways to organize it going forward. For classes, QuickBooks will ask how you want to assign them. You can choose to apply one class to the entire transaction, which is simpler and works well if each sale or expense only relates to a single area. Or you can choose to assign one class to each row in the transaction. That option is more detailed and is perfect if a single invoice or bill needs to be split across multiple departments or projects. Pick the option that best matches how you operate day to day. Once you've made your choices, click Save and then Done to lock in the settings. Now that tracking is turned on, let's set up your actual classes and locations. Again, go back up to the gear icon. This time, choose All Lists. This page shows different lists that control how data is organized in QuickBooks. From here, click on either classes or locations, depending on what you want to work on first. On the list page, click New to create a new class or a new location. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you and your team know exactly what it represents when you're entering transactions. If you want to build a hierarchy, like a main department with smaller units underneath it, you can create subclasses or sublocations. When you're adding or editing an item, check the box labeled Is Subclass or Is Sublocation, then choose the parent from the dropdown. This helps keep your list organized and makes your reports easier to read, with totals for both the main category and each subcategory. Once you've set up your classes and locations, you're ready to start using them on your transactions and unlock much more detailed reporting in QuickBooks Online.